Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Welcome to our media channel. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of time with me today. Today we are going to unbox Weird, the Al Yankovic story. Now this was a Roku original release. It was streaming, and still is streaming, exclusively on the Roku channel. And I don't know, Roku has kind of made like a bit of a play for original content. I don't know how that's really going on, and they bought Quibi's assets and things like that. But this was like one of their first projects that a lot of us really wanted to see. And thankfully, it's a really good movie. And they acknowledge that it's popular because they have a 4K and Blu-ray release. You'll notice there is no digital copy. I have noticed that whenever a streaming movie does appear on disc, you almost rarely get to see a digital copy of that movie because they want you to sign up for your streaming service. So anyway, let's take a look at this. So on the side we have Daniel Radcliffe as Weird Al, and on the back, the world belongs to the Weird. There's Weird. That's the actual Weird Al playing the manager, and you know there's the Madonna and Dr. Demento. This has a TV-14 rating. That seems appropriate. So far, pretty typical packaging. I'm hoping when we get more into this, like when it gets to the discs, they do something truly bizarre. Like I don't know how many of you have seen Weird Al Yankovic albums, like CDs and vinyls, but he does very weird stuff with them, very interesting things. You definitely remember them. The funny thing is they're so unique that sometimes you don't know what album they go to until you pop it in and listen to it. But you know, there you have it. He's been doing things for I don't know how long. So, and well, pretty standard apparently. We have the Ultra HD disc and we have the Blu-ray disc, and they have the same image. Why am I even straightening it out? They're the same image. Nothing in the background. Is there anything? I guess it was too much to hope for a reversible cover. Well, that's probably the most conventional packaging I could think of for a movie like this. I was hoping it would... Why can't I put it back in? I was hoping it would be a little bit stranger, a little bit more up with Weird Al's character, but at the end of the day, the most important thing is we have it on disc. So I'd like to know, do you like this movie? Are you going to get it on disc? Have you not seen it yet because you don't have Roku? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.